fuck all that intro shit, let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, this channel is not for teaching you guys how to sound exactly like a rapper. That is what I call dick riding. And in rap, hip hop culture, dick riding and biting is a big no-no. But what I will teach you on this video and other videos is different techniques that other rappers use so you can take bits and pieces that you like and apply them to your artistry. Always remember the quote, bad artists copy, but good artists steal. Now, without any further ado, let's get into it. Lil Tecca likes to focus on the one. The one is the first beat in each bar, which is going to be the kick or where the 808 lands. The one is the first beat in each bar, which is going to be the kick or where the 808 lands. And when I say Lil Tecca focuses on this is he always makes sure to either start on the one, he'll start a line on the one, or he'll put his leap on the one. When I say Lil Tecca focuses on this is he always makes sure to either start on the one, he'll start a line on the one, or he'll put his leap on the one. And if you guys don't know what leap is, go watch the Lil Uzi video. But in brief, a leap is a change in pitch in a line. A leap is gonna turn a regular rap line into a melody. It's gonna make it melodic because you're jumping up in pitch. I've heard different songs to where he'll start on the two, but he'll make sure to put his leap when the one comes around, or he'll start on the one and put his leaps on the twos and the fours, which are the snares. And because I don't want to get flagged for this video, I'm not going to play the actual Ransom song, but I'm going to play the beat and then I'm going to rap the lyrics. And then I'll break it down and then I'll create an example and then I'll break down my example and show you exactly what I did. And now in this example, it's not going to sound like Lil Tecca because that's not the goal here. The goal is to take what Lil Tecca's using and apply it to what I want to do. So without any further ado, let's get into the shit. Beat is dope, by the way. I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside the ghost and hop up in a phantom. I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They're trying to take my flow, I take they ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. Seen blow it up, now they say they want some. I got two twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see two twin ops, leave them on a banner. I got two thick dots, wanna lick the game, yeah. So on the first part, black, I got white, what you want? Hop inside the ghost and hop up in the phantom. They say I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They trying to take my flow. That's a leap, you see, because he's in a regular tone, but then he jumps up and then he comes back and then he jumps up. That's a melody. The one or the bass, it's where the I got black, I got white, what you want? How about how to ghost and hop up in the fan? I know I'm about to blow. That's where the bass hits, and that's where he knows to hit his leap. And then when he says, "See me, I know that I'm gone." I know that I'm gone. It lands on the what's the name? I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got two twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I got out you on a banner. I got two twin thoughts, make the gang up. He was putting a leap or a melodic line onto the one, and it's kind of hard to explain without doing an example, so I'll get into the example to show you how I'm applying this technique that he's using to something new. And when I freestyle, it's not going to be any words, but just pay attention to the flow and the melody, and then I'll explain what I was doing. On the first part, I'm going to be starting on the one, so you'll hear what it sounds like, and you'll notice I'll put my leaps on the snares, so whenever that comes, that's when I'm going to be putting my leaps. And then on the second part, I'm going to start somewhere like on the two, and then I'll put my leap on the one. Okay, so let's get into it. Fuck these hoes, I'm getting money in the city right now. I got guns on the night out. Fuck a billion on the night out. Do what you want, I ain't care about you. I got millions pounds on my ooh. I got tons on See, I'm starting at the 1, then I'm going up to 2, then I'm on at the 4, that's the snare and the You see where I'm doing jumps and the and the and another jump and the Now, I'm gonna go into the second part. I'm gonna put my leap on the 1. I don't give a fuck about a hater. I get money, nigga, I could get the paper. Got a on the caper. With you later. Fuck yeah, niggas wanna hate me. I'm driving crazy. I got a blood ass bitch, she go crazy. All that hating and that shit can't faze me. So, on the first part, I was starting my lines off on the 1. So that's as soon as the beat drops, when a boom, that's when I was starting. And then I would put my leaps or my emphasis whenever the snares come around, and that's what made it melodic. That's what made it a melodic flow. And then on the second flow that I did, when I switched it up, then I was starting. I can't remember exactly where I was starting, but I was making sure whenever the bass hit, that's when I would hit my leaps. And that's pretty much it, dog. I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Holla at your boy. Peace.